What is the primary raw material used to produce cotton fabric? A. Polyester, B. Wool, C. Cotton plant, D. Nylon. Which weave is characterized by diagonal lines on the fabric? A. Plain weave, B. Twill weave, C. Satin weave, D. Herringbone weave. What is the process of interlacing cassettes of yarn at right angles? A. Weaving, B. Knitting, C. Spinning, D. Dyeing. Which fabric is made from flax fibers? A. Wool, B. Cotton, C. Silk, D. Linen. What is the characteristic of polyester fabric? A. Soft and delicate, B. Durable and wrinkle resistant, C. Lightweight and breathable, D. Glossy and slippery. What does GSM stand for in fabric measurement? A. Grams per square inch, B. Grams per square meter, C. Global standard material, D. General sewing method. Which of the following is a natural fiber? A. Nylon, B. Silk, C. Polyester, D. Acrylic. What type of dyeing is done after the fabric is woven? A. Yarn dyeing, B. Garment dyeing, C. Piece dyeing, D. Fiber dyeing. Which synthetic fiber is known for its elasticity? A. Nylon, B. Acrylic, C. Polyester, D. Spandex. What is the main purpose of mercerization in cotton processing? A. To reduce shrinkage, B. To improve luster and dye absorption, C. To make it softer, D. To increase its weight.